In this slide, I want to introduce two qualitative data analysis. One is called the deductive approach. We can see it in the picture. It starts from a theory and by observing the data to confirm the theory is true. For example, as a parent, I'm assuming that my kid is sick. I observed that she is coughing, sneezing. Then I confirmed by measuring her temperature. It is 101. Then it proved that she is sick. The other approach is called inductive approach. We can see the right side of the picture here. It works from the observation and all the way up to the theory. The same example. I observed that my kid is sneezing, coughing, has a runny nose, and I'm assuming that she is sick because all her symptom is the same as my theory that the flu has the symptom of runny nose, sneezing, and so on. There are the approaches to analyze the qualitative data. In this slide, I want to introduce the thematic context analysis. As we heard thematic, we know it is related to theme somehow. It is a method to group all the data by themes or by keywords or groups. For example, I interview a girl named Alice and who is a 5th grade student. I asked, "Hey Alice, do you like school?" And she said, "Yes, I love school, but sometimes it is boring. But I love school. It is nice, a lot of things to do, but I don't like John. He is pulling my hair and he is really annoying. But I have different friends. But as you know, in today's days, it is hard to make new friends." Okay, how we collect the data from this conversation? Does Alex like school? She mentioned a couple times about she loves school, but she also mentioned the boring, bully difficulties. This method needs a lot of attention, a lot of writing, a lot of reading. Need to pay attention to the details and collect and group the data by the themes, keywords, by and analyzing and explain them to prove your theory. This slide is called constant comparative method. Constant means continue, so that means this method is ongoing process. Comparative means comparison, so this method is used to compare that new data and your theory to compare if the data match with that theory. So by this continues the process and this method is really help you to improve the quality of your project or your work, and also they really proved that your interpretation is accurate. The last method I want to introduce is called theoretical triangulation. This method is used to examine your program, all the perspectives. As in the picture, you want to evaluate a school program. You can collect the data by observation, and you also can do the interviews. You can interview with students, teachers, or parents. You also can do the online survey and what is the other data collection method? Or you can do the secondary data analysis also. The purpose for this method is to get deep understanding of your program. You can see all the possibilities about your program and you can review all the perspective about your program. Let's do a quiz. The theoretical triangulation method is a deductive approach. True or false? It is false.